This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetarian stew in Dreamlight Valley. This delicious 3-star meal is perfect for restoring energy and can be made with easily accessible ingredients. We'll cover exactly what you need and how to combine them to create this hearty dish. It's a simple recipe that's great for any stage of your game progression, providing a good energy boost. To begin, you'll need to gather your ingredients. First, grab 1 carrot, which is a very common vegetable. Next, you'll need 1 onion and 1 potato. Both can be purchased from Goofy's stall in the Forest of Valor. Finally, locate 1 ginger, which grows wild in the Frosted Heights. Once you have these 4 items, you're ready to cook. With all your ingredients in hand, head over to any cooking station in Dreamlight Valley. Simply interact with the stove and place the 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 potato, and 1 ginger into the pot. The cooking process is quick and easy, and your delicious vegetarian stew will be ready in moments. It's a straightforward recipe that yields a fantastic result every time. Vegetarian stew is incredibly beneficial, restoring a generous 128 energy points, making it perfect for long foraging or mining sessions. If you're looking to earn some extra cash, you can sell each stew for 657 star coins at Goofy's stall. Also, for those looking to organize their real-life kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This simple recipe is a staple for any Valley resident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.